Okay, this tool here, BF1 P32. So this is a floor tool, your foot for your vacuum cleaners. This tool here is one of the most popular tools in New Zealand for commercial cleaners and also at home. So it comes in a 32 or a 35, either or. This tool here is got the PP here. It will just go over your surfaces, the carpet, nice, neatly. The suction, there's a nice big suction cup to pick up all of that rubbish and all that dirt. It's free flowing, easy. If it does get blocked, you can easily just pop your finger in there, clean it out just like that. So that's that tool there. We also have a bigger version of it. So to cover bigger, larger areas, another popular one in the commercial cleaning business. Same again, the PP here, the big suction cup down the bottom. It's got your little wheels on the side and it will just roll over your surfaces nicely. It does come in a different type of hair, which I'll grab that tool now. So it comes in the horse hair, and again these ones are quite larger to cover the bigger areas, your tiles, big kitchen areas. This horse hair will just glide along with the big suction cup at the bottom. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.